idea that I do have for YouTube is to talk about private lending. I actually have a whole list of questions that I got from you guys about private lending that I can answer in videos. I'm definitely still going to make the course, but I feel like it would be great if I just start putting out that information, because honestly, like, I love real estate and it's amazing, but the easiest and fastest money I've ever made has been through private lending. And it's not without its risks or anything like that, but I do think there's a lot of value in that method of making money. I don't even know if I can call it investing. I mean, depends on how you do it, but I have a list of topics I can talk about in terms of private lending, so that can be its own thing. But in terms of real estate, like, I don't know what people want to hear about. I have an angle of like doing it on the side,